Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python projects and in this video we are gonna write a program to crack jokes in Python. So let's get started. Now here I am going to open my terminal and here I will go in my directory and here tutorials and here projects and here Python and here. Now here we are going to dir cracking joke program. It will create a folder. I'll cd in it. I'll open VS Code. Now you prefer me in comment section that white theme is better or dark theme. Now here I am going to create a file joke.py and now here I will bigger it and here we need a package called pyjokes. So who doesn't have it, right? Pip install pyjokes. Now here let's import it. Import pyjokes. Now here nothing, just I want to make a variable called joke is equal to pyjokes dot get underscore joke. Here I'm just going to print joke. Now if I wait, it started debugging. I don't want to debug it. It gave me it is debugging it. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna read right. Why did we can do like that? And here what do you call 8 hobbits? A hobbit. Now you can integrate it with making it to speak. Now here I will write just import pytts63. pytts63 is just Python text to speech, and I have commented the whole line. I want to just comment at this. Now here I am going to make a function def c, and here I'll write audio, and here I'll just I'll make a variable called speaker is equal to pytts63.init. Here sappy file. Now here I'm just going to say speaker dot say audio, audio. There is an indentation error here. Yeah, again audio. And here speaker dot run and wait. Now we are now here remove that print and write say array say. Yeah, this is the audio. I passed it. Now let us see.
A programmer had a problem. He thought to himself, I know, I'll solve it with threads. Has now problems. 2 he.
It has cracked the joke. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you and bye bye.